Hello and welcome to DROIX. Today we are checking out the EasySMX ESM-9110 game controller. We will be unboxing it, taking an overview of the features and playing a brief game or two to show it in action. First we have the controller itself, which is available in two colours. We will show it in more detail shortly. Inside you can find a 2.4G wireless dongle which plugs into your device's USB port. There is a user manual which covers all the features and functions and is in multiple languages including English, German, Italian and Spanish. And last but not least, there is a USB Type-C cable for charging the controller. It takes around 2 hours to fully recharge it. The ESM-9110 is available in two colour designs, black and patterned. On the front are your clickable dual analogue sticks and classic D-pad. There are 4 gaming buttons and in the middle area there are back, start, turbo, mode and the home button. On the bottom are LED indicators with LED brightness and rumble strength buttons. On top are your left and right shoulder and trigger buttons. There's a USB Type-C charge port and LED indicator. It is powered by a 600 mAh battery which lasts for around 8 hours. On the back are 4 custom macro buttons which can be redefined very easily. Pressing the home button will switch the controller on and it will connect to the wireless dongle near instantly. The controller can be used on Windows PC, PlayStation 3, Switch and Switch Lite, Android devices and Raspberry Pi. The LED brightness can be changed via the button. It has 5 brightness strengths including off. The rumble button controls the strength of vibration on supported games. It also has 5 strengths including off. The macro buttons on the back of the controller can be easily configured for multiple button presses. Simply hold one of the macro buttons and then press back and the LED will turn purple to indicate it is ready for the button presses. Press and hold any buttons and the LED will turn blue, and then press the macro button again to save it. The turbo button can be set up for turbo functions mapped to one button at a time. Simply hold the button you wish to use and then press the turbo button. The LED will turn red to indicate that it has been set and you can now use the button in turbo mode. If you wish to cancel the turbo, simply press the button and the turbo button again. The controller feels very comfortable to hold. While testing the controller during a 6-hour gaming session, I did not feel any hand cramp or fatigue. The analogues also feel very responsive and accurate to the movement used. The controls and buttons also feel very responsive and I did not feel like there was any lag due to wireless signal, which works up to 10 meters in a clear sight away. Battery life on paper is around 8 hours. I found that with my own testing, from a full charge I got around 15 hours. This was likely due to playing sitting at the PC desk with the wireless dongle being an arm's length away. Your usage may vary, but up to 8 hours is the given length. I can highly recommend this controller. Over the period of time I used it, I had no issues at all. It has now replaced my old game controller, which is nowhere near as good as this one. You can learn more and buy your EasySMX controller from our store at droix.co.uk or droix.net. Don't forget to subscribe and keep up to date with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and we hope to see you back in the next one.